man, so this is Raspola Entertainment giving you all the updates and all the snowstorm and the weather in New York, in Brooklyn, New York. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share to my channel. All social media, TikTok, Instagram, you know the business, Facebook. Let's go. Thank you. Which part? We can dig out that now. Hmm? Huh? Funny height. So now I'm here walking to work. Can't drive. Uber not coming. You see? I'm here walking to work.
Right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
Come on. Right here in New York.
Yes.
Maybe she have to go to work, so she have to shovel out that to get her truck out to go to work. So this is how we're doing it in New York. This is how we're living. I'm telling you, it's not easy. But the grace of God will make it through. Yeah, man. All right, sister.
All right. Bless us, brother.
Bless up.
All right. God bless.
Look.
Cock it up and the dumper drop. Come round for your blood clot fuck. How you wind up you must have up. Who can't fuck must can't talk. Say good like the ice in a freezer. What I put it tight it a squeeze like a tweezer. Be a
Gotta throw it back in the street. Nowhere else to throw it. That's how we do it. We have to throw it back in the street. Nowhere else to throw it. And then that truck come and shovel it back. That's how we do it. We have no choice. We have to throw it back in the street. We don't have no choice. That's how we have to do it. How you doing? How you doing? Alright. Yeah, man, bless up yourself, man. A lot of work, a lot of work. So clear the driveway. Maybe you have to go to work same way. Maybe any emergency, you gotta drive out, you gotta keep the driveway clear. So this guy been working. Yeah, man. Okay, so I'm at the bus stop now. This is Church Avenue. Church on Remsen. Church on Remsen. Bus here now, we'll wait on the bus. Remsen Church. Living. Bus here. Driver, thank you.
Next stop, Clemson Avenue and Avenue A. Clemson Avenue and Glenwood Road.
Yeah, so I just came off the bus. So you know the business. So I have on about 5 jackets. This is how we live in part 3. Look at that vehicle right there. Welcome to America. Yes, bro. Pick up yourself. It's rough in America, man. So almost. You remember when the storm did I come and the whole part rain them and chum ground the whole I plane them. Look how they carry a ground. Everything park up, brother. Everything park up. Every man there yard all always used to run the road. All always used to run the blood clot road. A girl is everybody park up. But don't got no blood clot bar. Every man active. Every man active. Everybody active. Yes, bro? Yes, sir, bro? Yeah. Huh? Look at, I'm on the main road. Look at the entrance to go to my job. So none of those trucks come. Look at the entrance. Look. Yes, bro. See, if you now know, you have to do one of them. You see, well covered. So when you see no filling up, you just lift it up. Nice idea. Yes, man. Follow, like, and subscribe. Raspola Entertainment, giving you all the updates. New York. New York! Concrete jungle. What we are made of. Everybody active. Bless up yourself. You don't scared of the video. You don't scared of it. You don't scared of the video. Okay, I'm just doing a little documentary, you know, Raspola Entertainment, YouTube and Instagram. Just do like a documentary, let them see what we're doing, going through. Raspola Entertainment. Bless up yourself. Big up yourself. Yes, my G. New York. Gotta walk my ass to work. Yes, bro. You have to do it, you know. Yeah man, big fat Benz. See no. Big fat Benz and a Toyota. See it? Yeah man. Let's see my chicken to cook. Do it. You see the fruit stand? Everything has to be covered, you see? The fruit stand. Okay, so this is Flatlands. The fruit stand. Everything covered. Yeah. You see? Everything covered. So cool. Everything covered. And we are at 81 on Flatland. Oh. Yes. See it. So this is my job. This is Peppers. This is Peppers. So welcome. Abdul.
Yes, sir.
Man, so this is Raspola Entertainment giving you all the updates and all the snowstorm and the weather in New York, in Brooklyn, New York. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share to my channel. All social media, TikTok, Instagram, you know the business, Facebook. Let's go. Thank you.